health nuts, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, in case you're new here. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my 7 healthy habits morning routine. These are things that I try to do in the morning to start my day. I feel like they set a positive tone and just make me really productive for the rest of the day. And if you guys have been watching for a while, you know I love routines. I think they're just so important. And for today's video, I'm actually working with a herbal coffee company. They are Caf-Lib and they're sponsoring today's video. And to be honest, it's like a dream come true that a herbal coffee company is sponsoring my channel, because I have been promoting the herbal coffee for like years now. And I actually discovered them mid last year and I've been drinking them every single morning since, and I love it. And if you guys are like, what is herbal coffee? Don't worry, I'm gonna explain it in the video. I'm gonna share with you what it is, why I like drinking it, and why I've made the switch from regular coffee to herbal coffee. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video and I'll share with you guys my morning healthy habits. My first habit that I love to do right away when I wake up is to set the tone and the mood for the morning. Things like opening up your blinds, letting the sunshine in. This helps your body know that it's morning time. Give yourself a big stretch and say hello to the day. I also swear by making my bed every day. This is something my mom wished I did every day as a child, but really it was Mr. Matt that got me into the habit of it. And now if I don't make my bed, I just don't feel right. There's something missing in the day. So highly recommend doing that little chore first thing in the morning. Not to mention, it makes your room look way cleaner than it is, especially if you're like me and your closet has clothes all over the floor. I also love scents in the morning, so things like diffusing oils, burning sage, or even lighting a candle are just nice ways to kind of wake up your senses. P.S. I love this photo of Matt and I from my sister's wedding. It describes our relationship perfectly. I also will play some nice, light, relaxing music in the morning, and all of this together just helps my body and my mind know it's morning, and it just kind of is very uplifting in a calming way. My next tip is to have a 1-hour digital detox every morning. This is hard for me too sometimes, but I try to close my laptop, put it away, and I'll set a timer for 1 hour on my phone. And the only time I will check my phone is if it's to use a meditation app or something along those lines. Otherwise, I try to just keep it out of sight while I do my self-care habits and just wake up without a screen right in my face. Now, my next habit that I've been really trying to keep up lately is having a good oral hygiene routine. Obviously, it's good to brush your teeth and wash your face, but doing extra things like oil pulling is so great for the health of your gums, preventing cavities, freshening up your breath, whitening your teeth. There's so many benefits. And then also flossing. I know your dentist says this all the time, but flossing is so important and I feel like it's easy to get lazy with it. So I've really been trying to make a habit to floss more when I remember. Matt and I both use electric toothbrushes. I will link the ones that we use down below, and I also like to use a natural toothpaste as well. Tongue scraping is life-changing, guys, and it makes such a difference. It just like cleans all the gunk out of your mouth. Just try it out. It's a really simple self-care thing to do for the health of your mouth in the morning. My next tip is to try to reduce your caffeine. So as you guys know, I've been drinking herbal coffee for years, and this one by Caf-Lib is one of my favorites. So herbal coffee can differ from brand to brand. This one is a mixture of roasted malt barley and chicory, and it mimics the taste of coffee without the caffeine. And I personally have been drinking herbal coffee for a long time, but especially because of my anxiety and sleep. I feel like a lot of people nowadays deal with both of those issues. And I personally feel that reducing or completely removing caffeine out of your diet can make such a difference for your stress levels and just your overall mental health. If you suffer from either one of those, try it out. I swear by it. So this is my Health Nut Coconut Coffee recipe. I will link it over my blog. A link will be in the info box down below. This is such a satisfying and warming drink to have in the morning, and the coconut oil in the blender just emulsifies everything and makes it creamy without any milk or dairy. My next healthy habit is to have some quiet time and just set some intentions for the day. So one of the ways I love to do this is by writing in my 5-minute journal, and it basically just allows me to write down some things I'm grateful for, some things I want to happen that day, and it just sets some really great positive intentions, and it just makes you focus on the things that you do have in your life as opposed to the things that you don't. Another habit I've been doing basically every day now, which I will talk about more in another video, I've been doing 30 minutes every day of self-hypnosis. And it's basically like a form of meditation, a little bit different. I use a guided tape that I just listen to. It is so relaxing and there's just so many benefits to it. So I'm still finishing the program I'm doing, but I thought I would include it in this video. I know not everyone has 30 minutes, so even just doing 10 minutes of meditation is so important to kind of just give your mind a break and reset. My next healthy habit is to get outside and move your body. So lately I've been joining my friend Jessie from Jessie Lane Wellness. She actually has her own blog as well, and she's a holistic nutritionist. I will link her down below. She's so sweet, go check her out. She actually just had a baby boy a few months ago, and I've been joining her on her morning walks a few times a week with her dog Blue, and I love it. It gets me outside since I do work from home. It's a great reason for me to get some fresh air and just like interact with another human being, especially when I'm home all day. So I encourage you to grab a friend, set a routine that you go for walks during the day, or even like a workout buddy. My best friend and I have actually been doing Monday night workouts where she comes over, we work out together, and then we have dinner, and it's just a really nice way to catch up and also get a workout in. This has honestly been one of my favorite morning habits recently, and I try to get out in the mornings as much as I can with Jessie. Last but not least, I love to eat a nourishing breakfast every single morning. So today I'm making some poached eggs on avocado toast. Since you guys know I usually drink green smoothies or oatmeal, and I wanted to switch things up a bit today, I try to have some variety in my diet. And then I'm popping in a couple slices of this sourdough bread I got from Trader Joe's. You would have seen it in my last grocery haul. And then I'm just opening up this avocado, which is perfectly ripe. You know it's gonna be a good day when your avocado is perfect. And I'm just gonna give it a few slices. I'm gonna lay that right over top of my toasted sourdough bread, sprinkle on some garlic, sea salt, and black pepper, lay down my 2 poached eggs, add a little bit more seasoning, and you're ready to dig in. This is so delicious. It's especially good after you've been outside for a long walk. It's just like very hearty and still healthy to have to start your day with. I will leave a link in the info box of a breakfast playlist to give you guys some ideas and inspiration to have in the morning. All right guys, that is essentially my morning routine and all the little healthy habits that I've been trying to do lately. As you know, I've really been trying to make self-care a huge priority this year, and take it from someone like me who used to always wake up and think work first, me later, that when you take some time for yourself in the morning, it makes a huge difference on your life, your mood, your health, and I really encourage you to maybe try some of these tips in your morning routine. So a few weeks back, I actually shared this really awesome quote on my Instagram stories, and I have it here. I'll read it with you guys. You'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret to success is found in your daily routine. And I just thought it was really powerful, and it just goes to show that if you want changes, that you actually need to start creating them in your regular life. So as I mentioned before, whether you're looking to be happier, healthier, more productive, I truly think what you do in the morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. Now, if you guys want to learn more about Caf-Lib or try it out for yourself, I will leave a link down below in the info box to Amazon. You can purchase it there. You can purchase it at a lot of different grocery stores. I love how accessible it is. And if you want to win some free Caf-Lib stuff, which is always nice, I'm doing giveaways on here, on Instagram, and on my blog. There's going to be 3 winners on all 3 platforms, open North America wide for 2 weeks. It's going to be running for. And to win on this channel here, on this video, all you have to do is leave me one morning healthy habit that you swear by or that you would love to do. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a thumbs up, and then you'll be entered into the contest, which is really fun. So thank you so much guys for hanging out with me today. Hopefully this video inspired you guys to floss a little more and drink less coffee. I will see you guys in my next video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.